Leading from left side, walk 8 to 10 steps in a straight line. Halt. Salute. Back horse 8 to 10 or 5 to 8 steps and halt. Kristen Boyd, Double D Windstorm DLD, January of 24, in hand dressage. (2019) 6 feet on the ground. Perform a 360 turn on the forehand, moving haunches away from handler. Halt. In-hand dressage for Cherry Acres and Pattern Palooza. Switch to right side of horse. Leading from right side, walk 8 to 10 steps in a straight line. And halt. Back horse 5 to 8 steps. Halt. Perform a 360 turn on the forehand, moving hindquarters away from handler, and halt. Leading from right side, walk 20 feet approximate diameter circle clockwise and halt where circle started. Switch to left side of horse. Leading from left side, walk 20 foot approximate diameter circle counterclockwise and halt where circle started. Salute.